हेलो फ्रेंड्स, गुड मॉर्निंग। आज डीपली डिस्कस करेंगे कि एप्लीकेशन ऑफ प्लांट ब्रीडिंग कि एप्लीकेशन क्या है प्लांट ब्रीडिंग का, और इससे रिलेटेड हम बहुत सारी बातें करेंगे। तो चलिए हम लोग शुरू करते हैं कि पहले क्या है कि प्लांट ब्रीडिंग क्या है, खेती करना क्या है। इफ रेसिस्टेंट टू a particular disease is already present in a plant, it reduces the dependence of the plant on fungicide and bactericide. The before breeding, one must know the causative agent of a disease and its mode of transmission. Some common disease. Fungi is a brown rust of wheat, red rot of sugarcane, and late blight of potato. Bacterial, black rot of crucifer, and third is viral, tuberculosis. Disease resistance can be proved by conventional breeding, mutational breeding, or genetic engineering. What is the conventional breeding? Conventional breeding means that it includes the basic steps of screening, germplasm, hybridization, selection, testing, and release. Example, एक वेट वेराइटी हिमगिरी रेसिस्ट टू लीफ स्ट्रिप और स्ट्रिप रस्ट एंड हिल बंट, एंड बरसिका वेराइटी पूसा स्वर्निम रेसिस्ट टू वाइट रस्ट आर bred by conventional breeding. One limitation of this method is that the gene for disease resistance are limited in number. And second one is what is mutational breeding. What is mutational breeding? In this method, the genetic variation are created which then result in the creation of traits not found in parental type. Mutations are induced with the help of mutagens like chemical or irradiation. The plant in which the desired character, in this case the desired resistance, has come through mutation are selected. And third is genetic engineering. What is the genetic engineering? The genetic engineering certain wild variety have disease resistance characteristic, but they are low yielding. Disease resist gene from such variety are introduced high yielding variety through recombinant DNA technology. Example, the resistance of yellow mosquito virus in bhindi was transferred from a wild species to produce a new disease resistant variety of bhindi, Prabhani Kranti. A pest resistance crops, पेस्टिसाइड रेसिस्टेंस क्रॉप, जैसे क्या है कि बहुत सारे मार्फोलॉजिकल कैरेक्टर जैसे कि है आँख और सोलिटर्म ऑफ वेट naturally provide resistant from insect and pests. Similarly, the biochemical character provide resistant from insect and pests. For example, the high aspartic acid and low nitrogen and sugar content in maize leads to resistance against maize stem borer. Thank you thank you for watching my YouTube channel. For more updates, please subscribe my YouTube channel and put the thumbnail. Thank you.